Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something I'm so excited about. It is going to be a little get ready with me following a RawBeautyKristi tutorial. I got my palette! Okay, I don't even know if I've mentioned how much I wanted this palette. Let's get comfy. And for those of you who don't know, RawBeautyKristi is an amazing YouTuber. She is so beautiful, so talented. She's pregnant and due soon, I think in a couple months, and just such a good soul, very sarcastic, very much a wise ass. I adore her. There are two sides to this palette. This is like the colorful side, and this is the more neutral side. Right up my alley. I've used this a few times and I thought it would be really fun to follow along with a video of hers. It's I'll link it down below. The video is Creating PUR X RBK, which is RawBeautyKristi, my go-to neutral look, launch day issues, photo shoot, and canceled event, get ready with me. So I am going to be following along with this portion of the video for her go-to neutral look. She is talking a lot in this video about the palette and other things. I should have done my hair. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? I know she's going in with copper boxes, which is that beautiful color right there. And she's saying that there is some kick up.
Exactly what I've been doing. I'm going to use the Morphe M4, but I'm going to go in with copper boxes first, and I'm going to just put that all throughout my crease. I'm going to show you. So I just tap right in. These shades do have kick up, but again, if you tap off the brush after you're done, so like tap gently in, tap it off, and then like pat it on and blend it in. I haven't had any issues with fallout really. So the shades are just really soft, but even though they have that kick up, I've used this shade probably like 40 times, and I'm still nowhere near it, like a dent in it. So they do last really well.
Okay, there was a lot of talking in her video, so this is going to be kind of a choppy video, but now she's going with Camelot. She did specifically say she's using the same brush for the entire look, which is awesome because that's what I like doing. And she is, so this awesome yellow color, which I would never use. I don't know how to use this kind of color. So it is exciting. And the thing that I like too, so I did a video like this that I'll be posting at some point, following a makeup tutorial by Kathleen Lights. And mine was a very much more colorful version of what she did. And hers was colorful, but mine was like super pigmented. So I'm like, wow, I pretty much use a heavy hand, don't I? So with Kristi, it looks like she has a heavy hand too. So I'm hoping my look looks more like hers. So, and this is her go-to look, which I think is nice because I need to find a go-to look that's like a little different. So she was saying she's bringing this Camelot color here, all on the inner portion. And then she said across the top and the side. Her outer corner looks much deeper than mine. I wonder if it's her lighting, because she obviously has better lighting than I do and is better at makeup than I am, or if it's just that I'm not using the right brush. Who knows? But that's fine. Okay, so Camelot and copper boxes. She's bringing this in and running this. You know what? Let's go ahead and do our concealer. There is a lot of kickback, like she mentioned in her video and like I mentioned. However, I don't find that there's a lot of fallout because I do tap off my brush. So this was just a Smashbox color correcting stick. I have it in dark, just to color correct a little bit. And this is my Kevyn Aucoin. I always say it weird. There were just certain things I can't say. Sensual, delicious, super expensive concealer. That's the official name, but I love it. So I'm taking Camelot and copper boxes and just going under my lash line, but I don't know why or what is going on my forehead. And I'm just kind of connecting it here. But it's not cool, guys. I haven't used any new products. I've been using the same serums, creams, cleansers, tools, face wash, eye creams, everything. It's all the same. I changed my pillowcases. I don't know. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so now she is taking Golden Ticket, which is this beautiful shade right here. So she just tapped it on in the center there. And she said, if you really want more of a punch, you can really swipe it on, but she's just tapping it. Oh, Lord, look. Oh, gorgeous. Wow, I wanted to swipe it on because I'm extra, but just tapping it is gorgeous. I like to go higher, like a little bit. I go into my crease and even above. Sweet baby Jesus, that is gorgeous. But I always get the transfer, so I'm like, I might as well just beat it to the punch. And I'm just going to blend a bit up here. Okay, and I think this is, am I crooked? Yeah, I think I'm crooked. Sorry, guys. I think this is all she's doing. So what I'm gonna do next is my liner. I know she puts on lashes. And I even brought my like magnetic lashes, but let's not. I'm gonna put on my liner and my mascara. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you think? I do one of those like slow-mo. I really like it. This is something that I feel like I could do in like 3 minutes. Yeah, it's really just 3 colors. I feel like I could do that in 2 minutes. So, and this is it. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys get this palette? I just adore Kristi. I adore her and her husband Zach and their kitties, and God, I mean, look how beautiful this palette is. Look at that. I love it. I've touched the orange and did I touch the pink? No, just the orange, I think. Yeah, and I've used this side a few times. I love it. I think this is a great go-to look. And it's something pretty and special. It's really festive for fall. I mean, how perfect is that? So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.